Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Stockist Indian. And today we'll go through a few charts and see how we can read the charts, the support and resistance, and understand how the pattern behaves in particular stocks. I'm in. I'm in Tata Motors. So we'll analyze how these charts have behaved. So if you see here, I'm currently in weekly charts. Uh, So stock, I think in last couple of weeks or months is in a consolidation phase. That is good thing. To make some movement at the upside, you should always have this consolidation. So if you come from bit longer duration, if you see from 2021, from 2020, it is slowly moving upside with a proper retracement. So if you see here, it gave the retracement here, then it again went up here, the retracement here went up, gave the retracement here, and slowly, if you see, this was a big move from where almost 152, it almost reached to double in 300, and then it had a long retracement phase where you can say consolidation phase from at least 2021 till October 2021. So this is a retracement which I think is required in every stock after a upward direction. So the longer the duration of this consolidation, I think the powerful will be the breakout. So if you see here, it almost took 8 months here between almost 280 to 60 levels to 380 levels, a 100 point consolidation, and then afterwards once it broke this level, it almost went to 500. So I think similar pattern is repeating here. It gave this breakout after this 300 levels, 350 levels, and then it is now consolidating here, which is a good thing. I think once it breaks this level, if we go to daily chart, if I try to draw some channel pattern here, so if you clearly see, it is in a channel pattern, and this move, you can say a bullish flag and pole pattern, where this is a move and it is now consolidating. So once it breaks this level, and then you can see another 100 200 points. So but if it comes down like this, then again you can see a support of 350 levels, so you can come again till 350 levels. So but as of now, Tata Motors is looking good, since it is consolidating for some time. We need to see when it gives a breakout. Maybe if it starts closing on a daily basis above 500, then we can think of some trade in Tata Motors. So next we will go to Tech Mahindra. So if you see Tech Mahindra in the last couple of days, it's falling for some time. I think for Nifty IT, it's been rallying for some time now. So if you see for the Tech Mahindra also, it gave a very good move here, but uh, even though it gave a very good move, it consolidated for a few days. But same thing is happening in Tata Motors as well. So the consolidation might go and break this, or might come down with a breakout. I mean, it can just give a breakout here, or it can give a breakdown here. So in Tata Motors, it is currently forming this consolidation. In Tata Motors, it's currently forming this consolidation. So it neither gave the breakout or breakdown. So we'll have to wait. But in Tech Mahindra, it already gave the breakdown. So if you want to find this till where we can uh, find this stock, you can see here, this was a last resistance which it did give the breakout. So if you see here, almost what is this level, almost 1670. So another, we can see another 30 40 points here, and from this point you can see, and it can again go up or down. You have to wait. If you give some, if it gets some green color candle here, then you can trade based on that. But as of now, with this bullish flag and pole pattern is failed. I think it is consolidating all right, but It should have given the breakout, but instead of it, it gave a breakdown. If you want to closely look at this in a 1 hour time frame, if you look at this, this was a chart. It was forming similar to Tata Motors. It was slowly going up, and then this consolidation, and it should have uh, broke this level, but instead it gave the bearish candle and it is coming down. So till here you can find the support. So this is how we can read the charts for Tech Mahindra. Next is Bharti Airtel. So currently on weekly chart, if you see here, these were the resistance earlier. I think 600 levels. Currently on weekly chart, so this 600 levels was very crucial in Bharti Airtel. So it did went to 600 levels couple of times and it came uh, very strongly down, and it again went here to 600 levels, and then it did not come as much as 400 levels. Then it, I think buyers tried to hold this, it did some consolidate here and then give the breakout. So this is very important point to consider here. Whenever stock is going upside, right, it has to consolidate for some time. So whenever a stock went like this from maybe 100 level to 150 levels, then to go further it has to consolidate for some time, and then it will decide whether it will go up or down. So whenever you see a consolidation phase here, the longer the consolidation, I think more the chances that it is breaking out. So whenever, because buyers play the market like test matches, so they will try to consolidate, they try to hold that position, but the sellers, they don't do that. They will pull the market as soon as possible. So if you see here, I'll clear everything. So if you see these resistance levels, so even though if you see here there was some consolidation here, but if you see here there was no consolidation at all. Market went up like this and then again came down. So you have to have these consolidations. If you see here, market consolidated here. If you see all these candles, almost for 5 to 6, 3 to 4 months, market consolidated. It did not come down, but whereas in this case, market suddenly did give the breakout. Suddenly it will come down. So that's what I said. The market, I think, buyers will play the market as a 50. The market, I think, buyers will always play the market like a test match, and sellers will play like a T20. So they'll try to bring it down as soon as possible, but buyers will hold it as long as they can. So after consolidation, it gave a breakout, crossed the 600 levels, tested this again, and then again it went. It's like till 700. So if you see here, now it's again. Similarly in Kotak Bank also you can see, currently I'm Kotak Bank for 1 hour chart. If you see here, in 1 hour time frame, market did market was falling like anything for some time, and then after this level did not fall. So it made a consolidation. See, if you look at here, market was in a consolidation. So this is what I was saying. So market has to consolidate for some time. This is a prior indication that it will go up. So if you see here before, there were no such consolidation. So every time market used to go come down, whenever it used to go up and then it suddenly comes down. So whenever, so there was no such scenario like this where it will spend some time, like for a month or two, or maybe a couple of weeks, so that it can go up. So always you need to find, whenever you see or you want to buy a stock, maybe in a reverse or whenever, you have to have this pattern, or you have to have this scenario where it will consolidate for some time. As I said, more the consolidation, the more the chances of it is going at the upside. So see here, if you see here at the top, sellers did not wait for any time. They brought this stock from 2200 levels to 2000. From again it went and then again 2900. So they don't wait for the consolidation. They just bring the stocks down heavily. But here, if you see, the sellers tried, but they could not breach this 1700. So buyers were successful to hold this level 1700 to 1800, and then suddenly they gave the breakout, and now it is trending at 1900 levels. So this is how you have to see the consolidation, where the consolidation is happening. So now currently I'm in Tata Power chart. So if you look at here, I did draw this some time back. So if you look at here in 1 day chart, I'll try to do the 1 day chart. So as of now, what is happening, I'll tell you this. This was a this was a fall from almost 230 levels, 200 levels, and then it went up till 220, came down. So now sellers did not cross this level, so they held this level at 220, and then it made an upward direction. See, this is what I was saying, the W pattern. I mean, stock always have to make this W patterns to go upside and then hold this level for some time. So this level, I mean, buyers did hold this level for some days, and then it gave the breakout. So if you see here in 1 hour chart time frame, so you look at this, it was continuously coming down, and then some, after some point it made a high, and then you expect this to cross down, but now with this scenario it will not come down, it will wait, and then it will cross this, making this W pattern, and then it will try to hold this level, and slowly it will go up. So if you see here, if I try to draw some pattern or breakout level, so this was the resistance. If you see here, this was a resistance, this was almost a resistance, this was a resistance, this was a resistance. So slowly, one, it went here, second time it went here, third time, and then it consolidated here and gave this breakout. So every time you see here, there was just one candle which was talking to the resistance, but here it was so many candles that sellers did not find it suitable to short here. So this is a buyer's level, they tried to hold this level, and then it did give the breakout. So this is how you have to read the uh, charts on the stock and see whether market is making any significant reversal, or market is forming any bullish pattern, all those things. So this is just a learning video I did, and so see you in next video. Thank you, bye.